Hello guys, this is Rohit from Salesforce Jungle and welcome to question answer series of Salesforce Jungle. And in this series, we are going to discuss about some tab questions. And in previous videos, we have covered sandbox, deployment, object, profile, users, and permission set videos. So try to watch that videos, all the topics, cover all the topics, and do practice. And before interview, do watch all the videos, and in upcoming videos we are going to cover to 7 to 800 questions, and the another series of videos are coming which are going to give you opportunity. The people who have already done with admin and PD1, they will get an opportunity, even CPQ and velocity. So we have collaborated with one company which will give us a lead, or you can say like the source from where you will get recruited, and we'll frequently update that videos like once or twice in a day, and you will get the videos. So do subscribe our channel for getting opportunity. So job opportunity videos are coming very soon and very fast. So on the particular day we'll get the opportunity, we'll upload the video. So this is what we have planned. So let's start with this. So tab question answer series, I'll share my screen. So okay, so we have 15 question answers in this. So let's do it. So the first question is, what is tab? Tab is basically on the, like, uh, when you have opened the Salesforce org, there is one on the top, there is one line in which you have different objects. So on that tab, that particular tab, where the objects are assembled is called tab. How many types of tabs are there? So there are like four type of tabs, which contain like custom object tab, visual for tab, web tab, and lightning component tab. So the third question, what is custom object tab? Custom object tab, like what the custom object we are creating, right? So we need to assemble it into another tab, into a particular tab, so that it could be visible to the users who is operating that particular org, right? So that is custom object tab. What is visual force page tab? Visual force page tab means, so like you have created one visual force page, okay, or a lightning component page. So you have to assemble that visual force page on the tab. You can watch out my Google Map video. Over there I have explained how we can assemble the a visual force page on the tab. So that particular video is on that particular tab only. So the Google map that you can see, that is on the visual force page. So web tab is nothing that if you have any website or a page or a portal on the web, so you can assemble that also on the tab. When you open the setup, in setup, search the tab, in tab you will see there is custom visual force and web tab. So click on web tab and write your www dot the company name, and you will assemble that particular link in that, and you will get visibility. So lightning component tab and visual force tab already told you. What is a default on? Default on is something that we can call it a permission. Default on and default off, when we want user to see our tab. This, for that purpose we are choosing default and default off. We can override this default. Default off means like it got hide from that user, but user can see it from that plus. So what is tab hidden? Tab hidden is we hide that particular tab from that user. Default off, there is difference between default and tab hidden. Default off means it's not in the tab, but it is there in its org. Tab hidden means that particular tab is not there and that particular user. So try to understand this, because in question, in interview, they will ask these type of question that I've like already, difference between default off and tab hidden. So you can Google it and get the brief knowledge about it. So it can come in the interview. It is very basic question. Visibility of tab in is controlled by. So you can control the visibility of tab by the profile or permission set. These two methods. So you can make it hide, unhide, whatever you want to do. So there is one option of edit tab in the provision set. So by that you can control the visibility of the tab. Can you deploy the tab? Yes, we can deploy. So how you can deploy? You can check. You can Google it. Okay. Which permissions are there default enabling when you add tabs in the application? When you permission, which permissions are there? Edit, edit, edit tab, add tab to application. Which permissions are by default enable when we add tab to an application? default on permission. So Google it, brief on like for the brief description. So in the permission set, we are giving permission for the visibility or not. Okay, so you can check it. Some tabs can be used in how many applications? You can use in like many applications. So if you are allowing that tab in that particular application, you can use it. Okay. What is the default lending tab? So you have to Google this question. Default lending tab. I will not tell this answer. Otherwise, all answer if I'll tell, you will not Google it. How to see the tabs which are not in the tab panel? So there is plus option in the right side of that particular slot. So you can click on that. You can get the tab. So these are the question that we have covered. So try to Google it. Okay, then check out in your org, practice it. You will get a when like it will be a very good practice if you practice the org, practice in the on your particular org. So thank you for watching our videos. So our upcoming videos are of jobs, and this series will continue till 800 question we'll cover. Thank you once again.